As one of 50/50 joint venture in China, Chongqing Engine Company, CCEC, was established in the year of 1995, producing Cummins K, M, N series mechanical and electronic engines, covering 11 to 50 liters engines with the power from 145 to 1,656 kilowatts. CCEC engines are widely used in energy, marine, construction machinery, water pump set, and railways applications.
Hello everyone, this is Jasper from ConeMac. In this video, I will introduce CCEC KTA19-C680 Industrial Engine that used in Billard's mining truck, which delivered in September of 2023. CCEC KTA19-C680 Industrial Engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine. The displacement is 18.9 liter. The overall dimensions of CCEC KTA19-C680 Industrial Engine is 2,142 mm by 1,067 mm by 1,734 mm, and the net weight is 1,690 kg. CCEC KTA19-C680 Industrial Engine comes with PT fuel pump and equipped with turbocharger and aftercooler. The rated power is 680 horsepower at 1,500 RPM rated speed. The full loaded fuel consumption is about 112 liters per hour. The standard CCEC KTA19-C680 Industrial Engine comes with the following accessories: fuel pump, fuel filter, turbocharger, start motor, flywheel housing, aftercooler, charging alternator, ConeMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, engine control panel, air filter, muffler, PTO, transfer case, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, ConeMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as oil pan type, fan position, fan type, dipstick position, flywheel and flywheel housing size extra. We can also provide explosion-proof modification for oil and gas industry, and we have capability to satisfy most of our customized requirements on our engine and engine power pack. ConeMac provides one-stop replacement solution, from replacement plan design to engine supply, from installation support to on-site installation. ConeMac is a professional solution provider of replacement of the old Cummins engine in all kinds of machines, including Billard's, Komatsu, Volvo, and Hitachi.
Committed to providing reliable premium power system for global construction machinery manufacturer, ConeMac is a sub-brand of the EMAC Group that focuses on construction machinery application. based on dozens of world-class renowned diesel engine manufacturing resources in China, as well as relevant construction machinery, transmission, and hydraulic supporting component suppliers, ConeMac provides one-stop solutions from pre-design to component supply, from installation to commissioning, from pre-sales communication to after-sales service support. ConeMac's products range are Caterpillar, Cummins, Dutz, CAMC, Weichai, and other well-known brands of construction machinery engines, related accessories, and complete power pack. Our products are widely used in mining, metallurgy, loading and unloading, airport, forklift, oil and gas, etc.
Promise is promise. EMAC continuously upgrade our products design and quality standard. We will continuously improving our products quality and the service standard to meet the certifications for customers from all over the world. Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact ConeMac at any time. For more details about our company, products and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.conemac.cm.